In this problem, we're asked to find the initial and final values of the time function f of t if f of s is 8s squared minus 20s plus 500 divided by s times s squared plus 4s plus 50. And we'll check to be sure that the final value exists. So if we look at s squared plus 4s plus 50 equal to 0, we note that the roots are minus 2 plus or minus j 6.78. And if we looked and did inverse transform, we have some e to the minus 2t terms here, so we know that the final value exists. So first, let's find f of 0, the initial value. So f of 0 is the limit as t approaches 0 of f of t, which is a limit as s approaches infinity, s f of s. So now we have the limit as s approaches infinity. We'll have s times 8s squared minus 20s plus 500 over s times s squared plus 4s times 50. And if we look, the s's cancel out. And if we look at these terms, as the s gets really large, basically these two coefficients of the s squared terms are going to dominate. So our initial value then is 8. So we've already checked that the final value exists, so now let's calculate it. So the final value, we'll call it f of infinity. So f of infinity is the limit as t approaches infinity of f of t, is the limit as s approaches 0 s f of s. So now we have the limit as s approaches 0 of s times 8s squared minus 20s plus 500 over s times s squared plus 4s plus 50. Again, we cancel out the s's. Let s equal 0, or let s approach 0. We have 500 over 50, or 10, for the final value.